It was exactly that.
Oh, go!
Start that bunker, fade it back. If it draws, like I think it's gonna. Nah, it'll fade. Go.
Should be safe.
Yeah, it's just over the pot.
Yeah, nice.
Nice drive.
Not really, but that's alright. It'll do.
It looked pretty.
Almost missed it again, but it's the first drive of the day. Don't mind it. Out with Perko.
Sure, mate.
I have to hit a lot on it, just a little.
Oh, beautiful swing. That is tracking. Oh, let's go.
Oh, cut. Cut.
Is that all green there anyway?
Nah.
Oh yeah.
Should be a little bit of fairway up there.
I had a feeling I was aiming a bit left. Oh, this sucks.
Fuck, like a. What are you thinking?
Just get on the green.
Fair enough. Fuck, that is such a good shot, man.
I'll take it.
Wow.
It's about as good as I could do.
Out of a thick rough too.
Yeah. Oh, I'd be really happy with the par here.
Roll. Roll. Mate, great putt.
Oh, these are so quick, lad.
Yeah.
They are quick. They're rolling nice.
Oh. Jesus. Risking it in comp, mate.
Alright,
Fuck
take
it
it
out.
out. Yeah, thanks.
I'm ahead of you, mate. Don't you worry.
Oh. Tap in, Parsky. Robert could gain 2 strokes on the field in one putt here. Yeah.
You had a good look from both sides, yeah?
It's nothing to it.
Easy.
So it's a downhill slider left to right.
I'll take
Slider.
it for you,
Fucking,
Leon.
thanks for coming. Fucking breathe on it.
Oh, he's got it. 100%.
Oh, it's the big bird.
Love it. Finally, an eagle between them.
Eagle. Oh.
Hey, dude.
I think it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
Great shot. Straight
I
down
was
the
at a probably-
middle. Well done, lad. Oh,
That's better.
smoked it. Nah, it's more front, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
I got 110 out of like basically a bunker.
All right, so it's got 120 to the middle, 110 to the front of the green.
Yeah, cool.
Is what mine says.
I might just go like a little pitching wedge and try and pick it clean.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, got a little draw on it. Is that? It's the wind.
I don't know.
Great shot.
Pretty much hit it dead straight.
That was.
We'll see.
That was really nice.
Hopefully it got up.
Oh, it's right in front of a mound, bro.
Yeah, you got it.
Like, it's like mound, and my ball's sitting underneath it like that.
Shot. Wind hasn't hit it.
Little bit too far, but right shot, I think. It's just like squirted way right.
How squirty?
Like low squirt. Like. Get up. Bad luck, lad.
Do it.
Oh. You thought it was going to turn left uphill. I like that.
I was trying to just will it in there.
Nice par, mate.
I'll take it.
Oh, great putt.
Yeah, I like 2 cups. Wow. Can't believe that went under the hole.
Yeah, that was 3 cups too.
So what was that you said?
Precisely where you don't want to.
Oh, stay there, wind. Stay there, wind. Oh, shot. I was in a horrible position. Shot, Perko.
Oh, just overread it. Putty.
Nice.
Tentative. Oh, good big stomp on the line there, mate. Oh, no, I'm just shitting you. It wouldn't matter anyway. Look how firm these are. I need help here from someone who can read greens. I think it's right to left.
Get Robbo. And every time Robbo gives me a read, I think it's great.
Yeah, I need a Robbo read. Is it right edge? With a good pace? Or is it left to right?
I think it goes that way at the end.
You reckon?
I reckon it's more like center cup.
Okay.
But maybe I would aim left.
Nice read, Robbo. Nice read, Robbo.
You're welcome.
Directly over him. I'm pretty sure that's on the green, eh?
Oh yeah.
Nah, it's just in front of the bunker. Yeah.
Okay.
You have a go. How do you feel about that one?
Pretty good. Alright, Benjamin Beers. This is a Perko fucking on the green spash.
I just want to hit one good. Passable.
Nah, no. Yeah, right side.
Yeah. With an open face. Yeah, beautiful. Fuck me dead, look at that. That's ridiculous. Woo ball. Yeah, go on. Get down there. Oh, good putt. Oh, wow, short. I didn't think he'd end up short.
They're not that quick.
Really good putt.
No! Oh, great putt.
Easy bogues after a shitty lie. It happens. Oh, the soft hands.
Beautiful.
The soft hands.
Come on. Still got that, mate.
Oh,
Lovely,
talking about soft mitts.
Gross par. Gross par.
Bogey for me.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Got it slip before you hit that.
Yeah, it always does, bro. Get in the bunker.
In the piss on the left.
Fuck you.
I'm saying, is it?
Oh,
It's a wall there.
yes it is. I thought you said in the piss on the left.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my,
Thanks,
come
mate.
on, mate.
Turn over.
Coming.
Yeah, nice shot, Benjamin. 7?
Yeah. Oh, he's gone the fade into the breeze to hold it up.
That's right next to Perco's.
Shot. Shot. Roll out. Roll out. Yeah. Great part.
Great part. Heaps of turn. Heaps of fucking turn on
Wow.
mine. Fuck me.
You can actually see it from here.
It flattens out, yeah.
See like this patch here. Oh, mate.
It's going to be the third putt that's been about a ball out. Yeah.
Back at our
Yeah, I just feel silly, like a little bit silly.
Yeah.
Doing my whole
God,
pre-shot
that.
routine over those short 1-footers,
Nah,
but then you
nothing
feel
to
even
worry.
worse if you go to do one of these ones and you fucking miss it. Yeah.
You ever had yips?
Fuck me. Sit. Oh, I'm glad one of us can fucking find the fairway. Shot.
Oh, where's the wind?
Where's the cut?
Turn, please. Short, short right.
You know. Hit.
Shot, Perco. Nice putt. 15 outside the left.
Thanks. Bogey. So was that for you too?
6 for me.
Not going to be on that car.
Yeah. Lost that.
Yeah, it's coming back. That'll be okay. Out near the tee box there somewhere.
Keep going.
Shot, mate.
Horrible.
Oh, stripe show.
Straight at that cart.
Really nice swing, bro. Shot.
That should get her be alright.
Sit.
Yeah.
Nice. Good James Bogues. Good James Bogues, mate. Great putt,
I thought
Perko.
it would turn more at the start before it straightened.
Now, I have no idea where this is going, eh? I swear to God it's breaking right to left and then left to right at the end. Fuck.
Good putt.
Mystery.
Yeah, it looked like it was right to left and then it was fucking left to right at the end,
Yep.
but... Oh, big shot. That looks mint.
Go.
Fucking. Oh, you fucker.
Oh. Oh no.
Stop it. We're like launching this fucking thing.
Bad luck, bruv. Nice kick. Fantastic putt.
Oh, thank you.
Nice putt. Oh, baby.
Pumped it.
That was pumped. Oh, no. Get over. Get over. Come on.
Fuck no.
I think it's over. Oh, that
I've
is
actually hit it too.
crunch time too. That has been murdered.
That one actually felt good. Yeah. Oh, how does it not bank so far right off there? Nice up.
Get in. Oh, fucking. Jesus Christ, Daniel!
Go, ball.
No, not that quick.
Great
There
putt.
it is.
Oh, Jesus.
Stay up. Oh, sit. Sit. Please sit. Sit. Oh, I thought that was off the green then. Unlucky.
Yeah. Nice.
Somehow I scraped together a 5.
Oh, lovely.
Unlucky. Don't you fucking... No, how did it go up that way? No, fucking see ya.
Get in there.
Yeah, nice putt.
Whoa, never look like missing.
65 big ones.
65 big ones, just a sawn off pitching in it.
Heaps of green past the pins.
Nah, I'll just hit a fucking little fadey sand wedge. Nip
Love
it
it.
on in there,
Love
spin
it.
it to the right. It's right on Perko's ball.
Give me
It's
the line.
exactly. Come on, you shitter.
That's the one. Shot. Woo! Timo.
So you can hit a wedge shot.
I mean, there is a giant thing called the steel works next to us. I guess it's.
Yeah, it's going to act more of a lightning rod than.
Really get off this fucking hell.
Fuck off.
Alright.
Oh, it's a nice line.
Gotta give it some.
Gotta hit it, mate.
Oh, Benjamin, that was a great putt.
That was a really good line. Oh, I've got a birdie. Woo!
Fucking birdies, I didn't see that turn at all on your one. Oh, idiot.
Gets in.
Birdie, Papa.
That's it. Oh, turn over.
Oh, keep slinging.
Turning over.
Good call on the 6.
Yeah,
At least I got it out of the middle.
yeah.
Oh, chunky monkey.
Just stay before that fucking thingo. Oh, such a nice strike, man. It's gonna be in that fucking bunker over there.
Shot of the day.
Fuck it, hell. Nice putt.
Thank you.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Wow, great putt.
Really good putt. Go ball.
I'm not liking the look of that. Nice putt.
Nice pull.
Nice pull putt.
Nice pull par. Beautiful weather. Nice.
That has been murdered. Oh no. Stay. Stay. Oh, that was such a nice shot, mate. That was crisp. I'm sitting under here.